Hey everyone, today I'm going to be trying to fix my boot looping iPad first generation using Legacy iOS Kit. So if you don't know what the problem is, I can't even turn it on at all. When I plug it, it just boot loops on an Apple logo. So here we are. We're going to go to the restore.sh file and we'll hit enter. Oh wait, I still didn't plug anything in. So we'll plug the iPad in, not iPod, this time it's an iPad. You get your stupid Apple logo that is just, look at that. It will just disappear at any moment. Boom. So we'll try again and get the restore.sh file. Hit enter. No device found. Oh yeah, you know what? I'll just try to set it in DFU mode or this kind of stuff. Again, it just turns off so fast. So here we are on the iTunes recovery screen. We'll try again with Legacy iOS Kit, and of course it's better just be visible. So let's drag the restore.sh file. Boom. There you go, it discovered the iPad. We'll go to, so let's see, other utilities. I see so many people on Reddit tell me to just clear NVRAM, and clear NVRAM. So that's what we're gonna try to do. Boom, 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 spectacle. I don't know how, I'm pretty sure it's just like in some way it's gonna go wrong. So if you already know how to enter DFU mode, that's what we're gonna do on this iPad. So zoom out, let's hold the power and the home button at the same time. Screen will go black at any moment. Wow, this is so reflective. And let's release the power button and keep pressing the home button. And now we're gonna click on yes. Okay. So select your option. iPhone, DFU, line range shadow. We'll try the first option. I'm pretty sure it's gonna some way just go wrong. Sending IBSS. But of course nothing's happening, no white screen, no nothing. Sending IBEC, nothing's happening. Finding the device in recovery mode. So of course it's literally not even interacting with the iPad at all at this point. It's just, this is the problem with it. The computer doesn't interact with it. As you can see, it's still a black screen. I just plugged it again to just hopefully get it to recovery mode and get discovered. Sending ramdisk, running ramdisk, sending booting. Please wait, finding device in restore mode. Of course, there's no restore mode in this, so it doesn't even get to a white screen. So unplug, replug, and just try with the home button again and get an iTunes screen, right? Because I can't just get this into restore mode where it's normally probably supposed to show a white screen. Running iProxy, done. Your device should reboot now. And it's not. This is the problem. It just doesn't interact with the iPad now. And I'll just do it myself. I'll let it reboot by myself. Right? Right? No, apparently. So let's just unplug and replug. This is such a pain. Apple logo is probably going to show me the iTunes recovery screen, right? Or probably, yep, it just says boot looping. Nothing's got fixed, and of course the computer can't interact with the device. And the problem is that it just shows me the Apple logo once and it stops. Even when I press the home button, nothing really happens, so it just says. Alright, let's drag the restore.sh file once again and get the iPad into the DFU mode right now just directly. So we'll just double press let's just unplug, replug, and then press both the power and the home button. It's not even showing an Apple logo anymore. It's this bad, huh? Yes, it is. Unfortunately, my friend. Press. And the reason, of course, my mood sounds all blah, 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 is because of how many times I tried fixing this iPad, but it just doesn't get fixed. Nothing at all. Yeah, no device found, no finding device in recovery or DFU mode. Boom. So here we are, back again. You may tell me, hey, restore or downgrade, but no, that does not do anything. I've tried it before. So let's go to other utilities and get iOS version, get Interpol DFU mode, just boot, SSH ramdisk, disable, enable exploit. Let's see what this SSH ramdisk stuff is all about. Okay, we're back to our Pwn DFU thing. Now let's try the Lime Rain, sure. So again, it's just gonna keep telling me sending IBSS, sending IBEC. Normally, it really just should be interacting with the device, finding the device in recovery mode. Again, there's literally no interaction with the iPad at all. It's not doing anything to it, so you just have to keep unplug and replug for any sort of interaction to happen. So we'll just long press the home button. Okay, so not even an Apple logo is showing up anymore. It's really that dead. The battery's really that dead. So we're just gonna wait for an Apple logo. We'll long press the home button, and we're probably gonna see an iTunes screen. No, not today. Of course, it's timed out, and meanwhile the iPad is still not giving us any signs of life. Now I'm trying again, pressing the home button to get an iTunes screen. Please. Really, man? Just send me just give me an iTunes screen at this point. Not even an iTunes screen? Come on, you iPad. You're better than this. Oh wait, no, you're not. Here we are, back on the iTunes screen. Well, drag the restore.sh file. Oh my days, this is getting sad. Jailbreak device, haha, no way. Other utilities. What's a DFU mode helper? Sure, we'll see what the hell's a DFU mode helper. Let's click yes. Countdown is happening, but the iPad found device in DFU mode. Oh, so it just tells you if there's a device in DFU modes. Okay, sure. This is not going anywhere, and I know for a fact that this won't succeed. I'm just trying around. Don't know what the hell's an activation record, so let's just go to just boot. You're about to do a tethered boot. Enter a build version. I guess it's 9B206, right? I believe that's the iOS 5.1.1. Oh my days, we're back to .dfu mode. We'll go to, I mean, last time we tried Lime Rain and we just, again, sending IBSS, and again, zero interaction with the actual device. Nothing, the iPad is just independent. It doesn't need anything to control it. I'm pretty sure this will time out and the iPad is not gonna do anything, right? Yes, right. iTunes. Sending. Device should now boot. No, it's not. It's still on the iTunes screen. God damn. Let's just force it to leave the recovery mode. Where was the exit? Yeah, exit recovery mode. Right? Does that actually... I bet that's the only thing that actually interacts with the device. So exit recovery mode. Right? And it does. That's the only thing that literally works on this entire stupid slab of aluminum. Yup, not even getting charged anymore. Here's an Apple logo and it's just probably gonna go away. Boom. Who would have thought? Now in Reddit, you know it's a good day when I say Reddit. Let's just go to this M terminal because someone had problems clearing the NVRAM on legacy iOS kit, but apparently this M terminal works just fine. So I'll go to Linux coming soon. Don't know what the hell's a coming soon. So it's only available on Mac OS, I see. Alright, we're back to the recovery mode. Is there really anything here anymore? What's an activation record? Dumping files. Yeah, I don't think this is the good thing to do, so nah. But I've got nothing better to do. Oh my days, we're back to the PwnDFU mode. Let's try the last one of Shatter. Placing device on PwnDFU mode based on Shatter by Post6 Ninja. Post6 Ninja checking for device. Nope, it's just back to the Apple logo, it seems like. It failed. Meanwhile, the thing got back to the Apple logo extremely fast, huh? It doesn't want to get pwned or owned. Alright, so I set it on DFU mode. At this point, let's just go to the most obvious option, which is restore or downgrade. Powders, no. Any iOS? No thank you, I'm just gonna go with latest iOS 5.1.1. Let's download the target IPSW and we'll wait for that. Start restore. Oh my days, we're back to the iPhone DFU. No, please don't. It never worked in the first place, please. Inflating, sending IBSS. No, not again, please. It didn't work, it would never work. There you go, it's back to the stupid Apple logo that'll be flickering for the rest of its life. Thank you very much, stupid iOS legacy kit. You didn't do anything useful, you just made the iPad suck to the boot loop again. Whenever you try to send your stupid iBeck thing, it just boot loops the iPad. This is so dumb, no. Well, looks like the iPad is still boot looping, so we'll just kill this process. I'm just gonna try as a last hope at this point. This is actually getting so sad. Restore.sh once again, and we are in iTunes recovery mode now. What the hell am I gonna do? I don't need no SSH blobs because that won't do anything. Guess iOS version, blah blah blah. Let's just go something. Let's go to this disable enable exploit. Let's enable exploit. I don't know what the hell is this exploit, but something's being exploited. So let's just go to DFU mode, and don't you dare ask me for the prone DFU mode. I beg you not to, because it never worked and never will. I know this is a problem of a bad battery, but I'm just trying as probably a last hope before I say, yup, this iPad is obsolete. Nope, I'm not even gonna bother trying. I am not even fine. You know what? So I'm just gonna try anyway. In recovery mode. No. Don't you worry. The iPad is still in DFU mode. Don't worry. It's disrespectful. It's rebellious. Let's just go manually to the recovery mode, because that's the way we roll here. Sending RAM disk, running RAM disk, sending, booting, please wait, finding device in restore mode. I wish I knew a method on how to enter restore mode, if that was possible even. So far it's a big no. Prone DFU mode won't work and never will. Done, your device should reboot now. Don't worry, it did not. I'm telling you, it's rebellious. It won't listen to you. It won't listen to you. No. It does whatever the hell it wants. At this point, I just wonder what iOS version it is on. Oh my days, we have to enter DFU mode. No! I hate this so much. Nope, I am not even gonna bother. I won't even be able to know if what the heck this is even running. So, yeah, okay, so that was a pretty horrendous fail, and a sub would be appreciated. Hope you enjoyed to see me being angry with this stupid iPad, because nothing will ever work with it. Peace.